This video is going out to directors, and I just want to give you my best hack for making directing easy from year to year, recycling the information you use. The most time-consuming thing you're going to do is learn the material your first year. I really do think there's great value in directing 3 years in a row because you're going to make all these connections and you're going to learn so much and see so much through those 3 years. I feel like that's really where it becomes magical, is at the 3-year mark. And so I encourage you to stay in for 3 years. Today, I'm going to talk about this one email hack that has saved me hours and hours from year to year. So if you've not met before, hi, my name's Erica Lynn. I'm a homeschool mom of 4. We've been doing classical conversations for the last 6 years, and I've been directing for 5 of those. It's my hope to help make homeschooling easy for you too. So I'm taking all the tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. We've been homeschooling for 11 years now and putting them into these videos to just help speed up your journey. So today I want to talk specifically about emails. Like I said, the most time-consuming thing you're ever going to do is learn the material your first year. But after that, the most time-consuming thing you're going to do, so the second most difficult challenge, is sending out your weekly emails. My first year took me like an hour to 2 hours to sit down and think through everything that we had done throughout the day, put it into a succinct summary for the parents, and get that sent out. So here are my hacks for this. Okay, ready? Number 1, you need to create an email group that has all of your parents' email addresses in it, so you can just put that group name in. So I just call it class and years. So I direct Challenge B, so I'll call it CCB, as in Classical Conversations B. And then I give it the year 24, 25 or 22, 23. And then each week I can just grab that. So all the parents' emails are there together, and I give the students the options to be on the email thread as well. Some of them find that helpful, but I also include myself. Every email that I send out to the parents, I'm actually sending back to myself, and it shows up in my inbox, okay? And here's why I do this. Because when it shows up in my inbox, I create a folder in my email. So if you have Gmail, you can just go to the left side of the screen and create a little folder. And I label it, again, CCB and the year, 24, 25. And every email then that I send out, it comes straight to my inbox, and then I move it from my inbox to that folder. And here's why. Next year, when I'm ready to send out my week 7 email, I'm going to go back to this folder. I'm going to open the week 7 email from last year. I'm going to copy and paste it to a new text thread with my new email addresses with my new parents. And then instead of starting from 0, I'm going to read through that, and I'm going to change anything we did differently in class. This has saved me hours. It has taken my weekly email process from 1 to 2 hours after community day down to I can usually get all of my emails out in 30 minutes or less. And sometimes it's very fast. But this way I don't have to start from scratch each week reinventing what I've done. And then if I ever have a question about what I've done in the past, I've got everything there in that email folder in Gmail. So it's easy to find, and it's easy for me to go back and refresh my mind what we did. And all the links that I want the parents to have to CC Connected, and all the articles that I want them to have access to as extra tools are already in the email. I don't forget to include anything at that point. You do have to be careful if you attached anything as a separate file rather than a link. You'll have to go back and reattach that file. So pay attention to that. But I try to put everything in as links. That way it all copies and pastes to the new email, and they have all the information they need, and I didn't have to go search a million places to recreate it. So that is the number 1 time-saving hack I have for the number 2 most time-consuming task that you have to do as a director. And so I hope this helps you. You all have a great day, and blessings on your preparation this summer. I hope you guys have rest in addition to preparing. Bye.